As of now, FreeNEM has one of the lowest withdrawal thresholds in the crypto world. And when we're talking about very low withdrawal thresholds, you can see it for yourself. This is only 100 XEM. This is equivalent to something like 13 cents as of now. So it's extremely low. If you want to calculate how much it would take you to achieve it in order to withdraw from the site, so let's say hypothetically you always win the lowest amount, which again, there's so many of you win more than that. But let's say you have 0 referrals, you don't participate in the and more section. You talk about 13 cents divided by this amount. It's 433 rolls at most. And so this could be achievable within a day, for sure within a week or a month for most of you. So just for you to see it, because you were referring to the low withdrawal thresholds. As we mentioned, we can't introduce low withdrawal thresholds to all of the faucets you see over here, especially for instance Tether, which has more basically fees with the Tron network, and Bitcoin as well, as it still has high fees as of now, despite the fact that it's been pretty popular currency, one of the basically the number one in the world. But you can still see that we're talking about less than 500 rolls, at least as of now, at least before 2026 begins. We're just sharing it. Now, if you want to withdraw it, you go to wallet and basically you click on withdrawal. You need to make sure that your withdrawal wallet is listed here. If you have a memo, then you need to include it in your account settings. If not, if you have an address that doesn't have any memo, then you can just have the address like we listed here with no memo. Again, if your address requires a memo, please include it. Because if you don't, then basically the withdrawal can get lost and then it cannot be recovered. Once it's in the blockchain, it cannot be recovered. And in this example, we have an account here with 1,425 XEM. So if you want to withdraw it, we just click on withdrawal, all of these, and then click on withdrawal. But where do you withdraw it to? So if you don't want to mess up with the old NEM wallet that you need to install on your PC or something like that, we suggest you use xt.com. It's a pretty good website. It doesn't have any KYC, so to speak. And if you click on the spot button over here, so you can see your asset value. We don't have a lot of basically coins over here. You can basically exchange NEM to all of these nice coins like Tether, Solana, crypto.com, and so on. There's so many more. These are just the popular ones. And once you basically, let's say you want to exchange those 1,500 coins, whatever you made a withdrawal from FreeNEM, you don't have to stay with NEM. You can just go to trade, and it would automatically take you to this page. You see that this is where you can basically trade Bitcoin for Tether. You can here enter the token that you want to exchange. So let's put XEM, and let's say we have 1,500 XEM, so we want to basically to sell them. We want to sell them and basically get USDT for them. Now, this is the selling price that you're seeing here. If you want to make sure the sale goes through without bothering you, you can just lower the amount. So you can just put, let's say, 0 here, or even put 2 instead of 3. And then you want to sell all of these. You're probably going to get more. It's always going to get you, the system always going to get you the best price anyways. And the total order amount must exceed 5 USDT. So if you happen to get this error message, the best thing you can do if you want a very quick solution is basically you can deposit some crypto coins from your own wallet. It can be just, you can check when you click on withdrawal, basically you can check the minimum withdrawal threshold for each coin you wish to use. Some of these coins have extremely low fees. So we just, for the purposes of simplification, just to simplify the process, going to use USDT. So you can see here on the screen, there's now we added $11 basically. So now when we go to trade, if you take this about $2 and this is $11.40, so it's about $13.43, you're going to see how much we're going to lose out of these exchanges. So once again, go back to the same screen. And now we want to, again, to sell basically the NEM, but we cannot sell it because it's under $5, right? So again, if we would try to do it again one more time, let's just even put 2 just for the sake of just getting it straight through. It will be more than 185 as mentioned. It would tell us you can't do it because it's it must be over 5. So what you wish to do over here is basically you want to buy it, and because we have $11, so we can buy it. So here we actually want a higher price. And if you notice, the previous message says, oh, you're risking over 5% of what the price should be. Again, this is just for the purposes of simplifying it if you don't want to wait. Because if you're going to try to aim for this price precisely, you might get stuck here. And then you would have to wait until the market hits the price or not. But if you just want to get straight through with it, so we're just going to show you the process. So let's buy NEM right now. And now it's success. You see here, ignore the insufficient available balance because we already bought it. And now we have close to 10,000 NEM. So now we basically want to sell it. So let's put again 0, just like we did before. We're going to sell all of it. And now it's successfully done. So if you go back to your wallet now, if you, let's say hypothetically you do the same, you see it was $13.43. So the fees, the trading fees came through what, about 13 cents or so. This is like 100 NEM. So if you add 1500 NEM, you still made about 1400. So just showing you this is a really great platform, and this is just a trick. Whatever you get stuck with some exchanges or you see minimum withdrawal threshold, remember, if you wish to deposit here, always look at the I over here. Please note, a deposit you make would have 10% withdrawal fee unless you use it to buy at least 1 VIP membership. And the reason we had to introduce it is because of abuse. It's not like we want to do it. We don't want to do it if we don't have to. This is for anyone who's interested in the good stuff already. Just putting it here. As always, also mentioning, you probably saw already, if you haven't, check it out. Those messages are dynamic, so they keep on changing. But if you haven't watched this video and you're watching this video pretty now, you can see the free Bitcoin is shutting down. You also see it on our YouTube channel, but welcome to check it out. Again, the message about the weekly contest, it's only the monthly here. And these are other bonuses you're welcome to check. Once you've gone through all the messages, it's going to be empty here, but it's still, even if you don't see any icon, you could see the messages you already read unless they're being deleted from our end. And this is just the way it is. That's how you withdraw NEM. It's very straightforward. Once you have it in your account here, you can withdraw it to your own wallet. They process it pretty instantly, so I can assure you that, I mean, we tried it with larger amounts and we had 0 problems with these guys, with XT. They also have top-notch support, so they respond to any support queries you have. So you're welcome to check it out, and yeah, let us know if you like this solution, if this guide is helpful. As always, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Take care and bye for now.